Hello, today I am going to show you how I created a program that solves the adjacent letters module from the game Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes. We see 12 buttons that has random letters in them and a submit button. Our goal is to click the correct letters so that they are pushed down and press submit. Let's start in reading order. The first letter is R. If we look at the manual and look at the R column, we can see two sections, both being letters that can possibly be adjacent to the letter R either horizontally or vertically. If any of these letters are found in the right position, then we press R. This one doesn't have any letters we are looking for. Next letter is P. It doesn't have any of the letters we're looking for. Looking at F, we can press it since there is a V to the right of it. We can't press V. We can press C because of the T below it. We press A because of the P above it. L has an F above it, so we press it. G doesn't have anything we're looking for. T has a C above it, so we can press that. I doesn't have anything. B has an I to the left of it. And finally, D has nothing. So we are pressing F, C, A, L, T, and B. It doesn't matter the order we press it in as long as only these buttons are pressed when we hit submit. I normally go slowly through my first couple examples and then pick up the pace in the later ones, but this is a really repetitive module with basic steps. I will just be telling the answer for the rest of the examples with the manual on the side. I recommend pausing if you want to figure out the example for yourself. We need to press Q, A, V, M, and O. We're pressing W, F, Z, J, U, P, T, and S. Press Q, B, E, D, K, L, C, and T. Finally, press M, F, Z, and Y. I made two GUIs for this module. The first one will get the user's input. I wanted this process to be as efficient as possible, so instead of having the user put only one letter in 12 text boxes, I decided to have 3 text boxes where each one represents their respective rows in the module. The user can type a row in reading order. I also made the tab order go from text box to text box and then to the submit button in order to save time. The second GUI shows the answer to the user. I first thought to just save what letters to press and then print that, but it would take time for the user to find the position of each letter. Not to mention that it's possible to easily miss a letter. I instead decided to have 12 buttons lined up so it matched how the module looks. If the button matches the position of a letter that needs to be pressed, it will turn green, otherwise stay white. For the solver, I started by creating a 2D character array that will hold the user's input. I also created a 2D answer array that has the same dimensions as the character array. I then created 4 methods that tell if the user should press the button given what the letter is, what letters are around it, and what are the letters that will allow this button to be pressed. There are 4 of these methods because of the 4 possible directions to look: left, up, down, and right. I had each method return a boolean, true if it should be pressed, and false if not. As long as one of these methods returns true for a letter, then that position will be marked as true in the answer array. This process is gone through each letter in the 2D array using 2 for loops. The answer array will then be used to fill out the answer form. Let's see a demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.